Hebei Jiake Welding Equipment Company Limited was established since 1999 as a professional manufacturer of different kinds of wire mesh machine. Jiake factory is located in Anping County, Hebei Province, China. Our main machines such as roll mesh welding machine, chicken cage welding machine, reinforcing mesh welding machine, fence mesh welding machine. Jiake engineers team started to cooperate with Italy company to innovate our welding technology. With latest pneumatic technology, our pneumatic anti-climb fence machine can make max 128 strokes per minute. Finished panel fence meets international standards. 70% Indian customers bought our welding machine and got Indian government orders. Jiake welding machine has got the China National Patent and approved International Quality Certificate ISO CE. Jiake will give you the complete solution according to your requirement and budget, and we will continuously help you to innovate the welding technology. Jiake after-sales service team provides the installation and commission service. Till now, our wire mesh machine was sold to more than 100 countries in 5 continents like USA, Canada, Mexico, Brazil, Russia, South Korea, Thailand, Romania, Greece, Algeria, South Africa, India, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Ethiopia. Welcome you to visit Jiake Factory and cooperate with you soon.